Hello everybody, Spencer Engel here, Velocity Financial. Listen, I've got a property tax update for you. It's very important for everybody, so hopefully when you're done listening to this that you're going to forward it and share it with everybody that you know, especially all of the homeowner friends that you know. But last year a bill was introduced by the House legislature here in Arizona called HB 2001. It was signed by the governor in early 2001, and it was called the Jobs Bill, if you remember hearing about that last year. And there was a provision in there requiring Arizona residents to fill out an affidavit that indicates whether or not that their property they were living in was in fact their primary residence. And if they fail to fill out the affidavit and send it back in, their property tax classification would change, and thus their taxes would increase. Okay, with heavy input from Arizona Association of REALTORS and other similar organizations, the legislature is now working on the two bills to hopefully have the tax part of that bill repealed. Okay, they did realize that they're going to adversely affect homeowners that could afford it at the very least. And the way that they were going to originally announce it, it didn't happen last year, and I don't know if it's going to happen this year, which is the reason for this this communication, is that they're going to announce it in the annual tax notification that you usually get in February. So if it is coming out this year, you'll see it in your tax notification when it comes in the mail. Make sure you look through it. A lot of times you're going to get that. You're going to pull out your coupon and you're going to look at how much you owe for taxes, and you're probably going to write a check and send it in, but you may not necessarily flip through all the other papers that are included in that. I mean, certainly don't do that with your power bill or your water bill. A lot of cases I may get my water bill in the mail, I'll look at it, and then I jump online and I pay my bills through my online banking system. But make sure that when you get your tax notification this year that you look through it and see if that affidavit isn't in there, and if it is, make sure you fill it out and send it in so you're not adversely affected by a reclassification of your property and have your taxes go up. They did, with the input from Arizona Association of REALTORS and other similar nonprofit organizations, they did realize that this was going to adversely affect those homeowners who could afford it the least. So that is the good sign. But if in fact it is not repealed, you want to make sure that you're on the lookout for that affidavit when your tax notification comes out. If you're a real estate agent, I would highly recommend that you reach out to your database, whether that's by sharing this video with them or picking up the phone and giving them a call. But I can't imagine anyone would not appreciate being notified and being told to look out for this thing when their tax notification shows up. So anyway, for all kinds of other tips, feel free to come back and visit spencerengland.com and give me a call if you ever have any questions. I hope you'll click on some of the links below and forward or share or even subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this before. Thanks a bunch and have a great day.